respectfully, I hate New York City. First and foremost, look at this small ass room. The room is mad small, bro. But then, bro, $1,200 for the microwave to be on a stool. The bathroom is a regular ass Section 8 bathroom. This room is the size of my whole pinky. First and foremost, you can't fit anything in those cubbies, bro. What are you writing? Like, what are you gonna sit at that table and do? You can't write anything. You can't do anything. Bro, guys, that room is 12 inches. 12 inches wide. That's it, bro. You can't fit anything in there. You can't put your clothes in there. No, nothing. You have to pay $1,200 for that room and then pay $80 for storage. They are ripping you off. Don't you ever, guys, don't ever pay for this. Don't ever pay for this. Let this apartment room sit here for the rest of its life.